Have you ever wondered which nutritional drinks are actually healthy? Walk into any store and you'll see shelves full of protein shakes, meal replacements, energy drinks, electrolyte drinks, and green powders, all claiming to boost your health. But which ones are actually worth drinking? Today, we're breaking down some of the healthiest nutritional drinks and what makes them stand out. Let's get started. First up, protein shakes. Protein shakes are one of the most popular nutritional drinks for a reason. They can help support muscle growth, recovery, and keep you feeling full longer. The healthiest protein shakes usually contain simple ingredients, low sugar, and high-quality proteins such as whey, casein, or plant-based blends. They can be especially helpful after workouts or as part of a busy lifestyle. Next is meal replacement shakes. These are designed to provide protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals all in one drink. They can be useful when you're short on time. However, not all meal replacements are created equal. The best ones contain balanced nutrition, fiber, and minimal artificial ingredients. They should complement your diet, not replace whole foods all the time. Now let's talk about green drinks. Green powders and vegetable-based drinks have become very popular. These often contain spinach, kale, spirulina, chlorella, and other plant ingredients. They can be an easy way to increase your intake of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. But remember, they should add to a healthy diet, not replace vegetables completely. Next up, electrolyte drinks. These drinks help replace minerals like sodium, potassium, and magnesium lost through sweating. They can be helpful after intense exercise, hot weather, or illness. The healthiest electrolyte drinks are low in added sugar. Some sports drinks can contain as much sugar as soda, so always check the label. Now let's look at bone broth. This may not be the first drink people think of, but bone broth is packed with protein, collagen, and minerals. Many people drink it for joint support, gut health, and overall nutrition. It's warm, filling, and surprisingly nutrient-dense. Another excellent choice is probiotic drinks. Drinks like kefir or yogurt-based beverages can provide beneficial bacteria that support digestive health. A healthy gut may help with digestion, immunity, and even overall well-being. Just watch out for versions with lots of added sugar. And what about energy drinks? This is where things get tricky. Some energy drinks contain vitamins and caffeine, but many are loaded with sugar and stimulants. They may provide short-term energy but aren't always the healthiest option. Natural alternatives like green tea or black coffee may be better choices. So what is the healthiest nutritional drink overall? It depends on your goal. For muscle and recovery, protein shakes are hard to beat. For gut health, probiotic drinks are excellent. For hydration, electrolyte drinks can be very useful. And for overall nutrition, green drinks and bone broth can be powerful additions. The healthiest drink is the one that supports your needs while fitting into a balanced diet. Because no drink can replace healthy eating, but the right one can absolutely support it. And that's the healthiest nutritional drinks explained.